And what if I told you there's a truck that Americans trust more than their own tools? A truck that works harder than most people. A truck that doesn't care about trends, only results. This is not just a pickup truck. This is the Chevrolet Silverado. And if you skip this video, you'll never understand why millions of people refuse to drive anything else. Stay till the end, because the real reason behind Silverado's dominance might surprise you. And yes, if you love real car stories like this, don't forget to support the channel. More on that later. What is the Silverado really? The Chevrolet. Silverado is not built for showrooms. It's built for job sites, farms, highways, snow, heat, towing, hauling, and real life. For decades, Silverado has been one of the top-selling trucks in America, competing head-to-head with Ford F-150 and Ram. But here's the question. Why do so many people choose Silverado again? And again? And again? Is it power? Is it reliability? Or is it something deeper? If you had to buy a truck today, Silverado, F-150, or Ram, comment your honest choice below. Built for real work. Chevrolet designed the Silverado with one core philosophy. It must survive abuse. High-strength steel frame, reinforced bed, multiple bed sizes, best-in-class payload options. This is why construction workers, farmers, contractors, and long-distance haulers trust Silverado. Silverado doesn't ask, "Does this look good on Instagram?" It asks, "Can this truck still work after 10 years?" Engine and performance dominance. Silverado offers one of the widest engine lineups in its class. Turbocharged 4-cylinder V6 multiple V8 options Duramax diesel for serious towing capacity. Over 13,000 pounds in some configurations. Fuel efficiency, surprisingly strong, especially with diesel. This balance of raw power plus efficiency is Silverado's secret weapon. Would you rather have maximum towing power or better fuel economy in a truck? Durability that builds trust. Silverado owners don't just like their trucks, they depend on them. Why? Engines known to cross 300,000 plus miles. Simple, proven mechanical systems lower long-term maintenance than many rivals. Many Silverado trucks are passed down within families. That's not marketing, that's trust. Silverado versus competitors. Let's be honest, Ford F-150 wins on tech hype. Ram wins on interior comfort. But Silverado wins where it matters most. Long-term durability, proven engines, work-focused design. That's why fleet buyers, businesses, and professionals choose Silverado. Do you think trucks today focus too much on luxury and forget real work? Modern tech, without overcomplicating. Silverado is smart, but not confusing. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto digital driver display, advanced towing cameras, safety tech without annoying alerts. Chevrolet knows technology should help the driver, not distract them. Why America loves the Silverado. Silverado represents hard work, independence, reliability, freedom. It's not about status, it's about getting the job done. That's why Silverado isn't just a truck, it's part of American culture. Do you believe the Silverado deserves its place among America's top trucks? Or is another truck better? Drop your opinion below. I read every comment. The Chevrolet Silverado doesn't try to impress everyone. It doesn't chase trends. It doesn't shout for attention. It simply works. Day after day, year after year. And in a world full of noise, that kind of reliability is real power. If you enjoy deep, honest automotive stories like this, please support the channel. I put a lot of effort into making these videos, but many people forget to like. So quickly hit like, subscribe to CarTech Discovery, share this video with a truck lover. Your support motivates me to bring you even better content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.